Hello, my name is AlpTureci. I am a Master of Science in a Software Engineering student at International Technological University, San Jose, California. For this semester's networking event, I attended to an online webinar which is focusing directly on my line of work, 60 GHz. It is expected from students to attend an in-person event. However, due to the prevention methods of COVID-19, everything is in lockdown. So I had to attend an online webinar by contact to the faculty first. The event was about 60 GHz. With more and more devices connected to the network, we require more bandwidth and more fast-speed internet connection. 60 GHz is an unlicensed spectrum by most of the countries that providers don't require to pay a license fee to the government. The downside of 60 GHz is that it has a limited range. In most cases, the average range is around 200 meters, and it has a low power to penetrate through obstacles, even air and water. It requires a line of sight. Despite the advantages or disadvantages, it's been discussed during the event that it is a good time to start investing more on this frequency band because it allows more people connected to the network on the same frequency. It is being provided as an enabler of the 5G as well. It is not the 5G. However, the 5th generation telecommunications protocol can leverage this frequency band when necessary. Facebook is leveraging the 60 GHz with its product called Telegraph, which I am taking part in its development process as well. Telegraph provides a huge mesh of connected 60 GHz providing radio units. These units are both serving as a router between other radio units as well as access point to the subnetwork they are connected to. It is very convenient to use in urban and suburban areas where deploying a fiber infrastructure is costly. To directly quote from the public Facebook connectivity page, I can say one of the beneficiaries of this decision is WiGig, and an enhancement to the Wi-Fi standard, designed to provide in-room high-bandwidth communication. Telegraph's wireless system consists of radios that are based on the WiGig standard and are designed for consumer electronics, which allowed us to create nodes that are inexpensive relative to the traditional telecom infrastructure. This event was highly informative for me because sometimes working as an engineer we can all lose track on the bigger picture of the product that we are working on. This event enlightened the way the product we are developing is used by different areas as well as how are we cooperating with the vendors. I had the opportunity to connect from both internal and external partners. During the event, it has also been discussed that this solution is not only for emerging economies, but also for dense urban and suburban areas where it is costly to deploy the fiber infrastructure. The event was open to the public, and I believe it can still be accessed from the recording highlighted in the link that I shared. The speakers were from Facebook and its partners in the business. I had the opportunity to hear first-handedly their expectations and hopes from the 60 GHz frequency spectrum. I would suggest to anyone who are interested in this area to go check Facebook connectivity page for Telegraph product and get more knowledge. This event exceeded my expectations in terms of the content they are covering. I hope in soon future they will have more in-person seminars that we can get more information. I am AlpTureci and thank you for listening to me. Until my next presentation, stay safe and happy.